So in this section, we get into what we call number bases. So this question says convert the binary number 110 base 2 to its equivalent decimal number. Number, that means base 10. So base 10 is what we're familiar with. So remember, base 10, there are 10 digits. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. There's 10 digits in base 10. And then we use these digits and we put them in different place values and it creates different numbers. So for instance, if I put, say, a 9 to 5, there's a comma usually there, 5, 0, 2. Notice how this means 900,000, 20,000, 5,000, 500, no tens, and 2 ones. But typically we read this by periods. 925,502. That's a base 10 number. So there, be like a little 10 over here. But since we use those so commonly, we don't put that little 10 over there. It's just understood to be base 10. Now, 110 is a base 2 system. So 110 with the 2 there is base 2. Base 2 means there's only 2 digits, 0 and 1. Now, when it comes to place values, notice how the ones place really means 10 to the 0. No 10, so that's considered the ones place is 10 to the 0. Tens place is defined as 10 to the power of 1. 10 hundredths place is actually 10 squared, and that creates the hundredths place. 10 cubed is actually the thousandths place. 10 to the fourth is the 10,000ths place. 10 to the fifth is the 100,000ths place. So if we play this out, 2 to the 0 is what's referred to as the ones place. 2 to the power of 1 is the twos place. Oops. Use an S there. Twos place. 2 to the power of 2. 2 squared is actually 4s. This is the 4s place. 2 to the power of 3, that's actually 2 times 2 times 2. That's 4 times 2, which is actually 8. That's the 8ths place. So notice out here, these were increasing by a factor of 10. Ones, tens, hundreds. So notice how if you multiply by 10, you get thousands. Multiply by 10, you get 10,000s. Multiply by 10, you get 100,000s. So, 2 to the fourth is our next place value, which really means you're just multiplying this by 2. That would be the 16s place. If I do 2 to the fifth, that would be like the 32nds place. So that's like 32. So if I bring this down into our place value chart, 110, what that means is, since the 1 is in the fourth place, this means 14 plus 12 plus no ones. So if I turn that into a decimal value, 4 plus 2 plus 0, 110 is the same thing as 6. That's what kind of way that plays out there, would be 6. So all you got to do is identify the place values and then bring these down and add them together would be a way to convert that.